How to delete WhatsApp message for everyone if deleted for me. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. We have often found us in a position where we accidentally hit on the button of delete for me instead of delete for everyone. So is there any possible way we can actually undo the process? If I press on delete for me option, I will have this undo button. If I press on it on time, you will see that the message will be recovered quite easily. In this case, I can again press and hold onto it. Then in now, I can just tap on delete for everyone. However, if you miss out on the undo button, you will see that the option or the message will be removed completely, and in no way possible I can easily recover the message and then delete for everyone. This is because WhatsApp currently does not have the feature to recover the deleted messages that we delete for only us. So, in no case you will be able to actually delete the WhatsApp message for everyone if you have deleted for yourself. We hope that you found it informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.